Want to speak English every day? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Spoken English. It's time to clean the house. I'll clear the table. Let me collect the plates. I'll wash the cups. I'll wash the dishes. The sink is clean now. I'll wipe the kitchen counter. The kitchen looks nice. Now I'll sweep the floor. Where is the broom? Here it is. I'll start with the living room. The floor is a little dusty. I'll sweep carefully. Now the floor is clean. I'll mop the floor. The floor looks shiny. I'll open the windows. Fresh air is coming in. I'll dust the table. I'll clean the TV stand. I'll wipe the shelves. Everything looks much better. I'll water the plants. The plants look fresh. I'll clean the mirror. It looks spotless. I'll tidy up the bedroom. I'll organize the wardrobe. I'll hang my clothes. Everything is in the right place. I'll empty the trash bin. I'll put in a new trash bag. I love a clean home. A clean house makes me happy. Now it's time for a short break. I'll sit down for a few minutes. I'll drink a glass of water. I feel relaxed. Cleaning is hard work, but it's worth it. My home looks beautiful now. The house smells fresh. It's time to get ready for the office. I have a busy day ahead. I need to be on time. Let me take a quick shower. Great job. You finished today's lesson? I hope you learned something new. Practice these sentences every day. Speak English with confidence. Keep learning. Keep improving. Don't give up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Spoken English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.